on an island brushed by the wind and kissed by salt, far from any city and untouched by the ticking of clocks, a story unfolds beneath the rustle of leaves and the crash of waves. It is not a story of people. It is a story of survival, of instinct, of quiet courage. A family lives here, 4 legs, wet noses, formatted by rain and sand. No names, no colors, no voices calling them home. Just the rhythm of the tides and the drive to make it through another day. They were not born in safety. They were not raised in a home. Their shelter is a hollow beneath a tree root, their roof a canopy of leaves, and their boundary, the ocean. The mother walks first each morning. Her paws imprint the sand as she leads her pups out into the world, nose lifted, ears alert. The pups follow, still clumsy, still playful, still unaware of the weight she carries for them all. The morning begins with hunger. Always. It gnaws before the sun rises. They search the beaches for fish bones, forgotten shells, and broken crab limbs. Sometimes there are scraps near the fishermen's huts. Sometimes not. But the pups always eat first. Always. She watches them chew, even when her belly is empty. She waits, still, guarding them with her eyes. Hunger is a familiar shadow. She has learned to live beside it. The island holds beauty, but danger, too. There are others like them, dogs hardened by time, scarred by fights, claiming territory with snarls and teeth. The pack stays away. Conflict is costly. Every coconut grove, every pile of driftwood, every freshwater puddle is claimed space. Sometimes the warning comes too late. The mother steps forward, placing herself between risk and her young, teeth bared, ready to defend without hesitation. When it rains, it pours. The skies open with fury, and they vanish, tucked beneath rusted hulls of abandoned boats, curled under fallen palm leaves. They shiver, but they stay together. Together is the only way they survive. In quiet moments, joy finds them. The pups tumble across the sand, snapping playfully at each other's tails, chasing shadows and falling into shallow holes they didn't mean to dig. Their laughter is silent, but it echoes in the way they leap and roll and wrestle. For a time, they forget the hunger. They forget the world is not built for them. The mother watches. She allows herself the smallest smile, the softest sigh. In the way she touches her nose to theirs, in the way she circles around them at night, there is love. Fierce, primal, wordless love. One night, one of them doesn't rise. His breaths come shallow, his eyes half shut. She stays beside him, licking his face, warming his body with her own. She doesn't sleep. By morning, he stands again. The island spins through seasons. Days lengthen, then shorten. The dry months leave the ground cracked, the water scarce. Rainy months bring storms that flatten the shelters they've built. Still, they remain. They learn to swim in shallow bays. They drink water from leaves and puddles. They dig deep when it's hot and climb high when it's wet. Every day they grow. Every day they learn. The pups are not pups forever. Their limbs stretch. Their bark strengthens. They begin to lead the morning search. They begin to protect her. What she once did for them, they now begin to return. Then, one day, something changes. A boat approaches the island. Humans disembark, their voices unfamiliar, their presence unsettling. The family watches from the tree line, hidden. A child spots them. She crouches. She holds out her hand with something inside, a piece of food, small and kind. The pack doesn't move. Except one. One of the younger dogs steps forward, slowly, uncertainly. The girl waits. The others watch. A paw touches sand. A nose meets fingers. A gift is accepted. Then the moment ends. The boat leaves. But something lingers. The memory. The warmth of a touch not meant to harm. The first time hope came shaped like a child's hand. The mother grows slower. Her steps stiff. Her eyes heavier. The pups, now near grown, take on her role. They scout first. They watch her as she once watched them. They lead her to food. They circle her at night. She has taught them everything. Without a word. She was never given anything. But she gave them everything. And on this island, where no map marks their home, where no walls surround their world, they have built something rare. Loyalty without condition, protection without promise, love without fear. As the sun lowers behind the trees and the waves glow gold, they settle together beneath the sky. No fences, no houses, but they rest as a family. Tomorrow the sun will rise. The tide will return, and so will they. Together, still surviving, still hoping, still free.